Introduce highlight features or overview summary of pool bar, Hyperzoo above ground pool side bar swim up bar pool. There are features include: fit most pools. Hyperzoo poolside bar fit most round/oval above ground swimming pools with pipe outer diameter of 3.7 inches or less. Beyond the poolside, this pool bar is easy to attach to your balcony or garden railing. Maximize your space in creative ways. Let's get started and make the most of your outdoor experience with the pool bar. Not suitable for hard wall or inflatable pools. Large capacity and multi-purpose. With table dimensions of 49 x 9.6 inch, Hyperzoo pool bar offers ample space, allows you to store everything from pool accessories and toys to drinks, keys, towels, and cell phones. Beyond the poolside, this bar also serves as a stylish balcony railing table. Use it as a breakfast bar, a mini outdoor workspace, or a decorative shelf for plants and other items. Ultimate convenience. The pool bar provides a stable and secure tabletop surface for drinks, pizza, snacks, books, clothing, or even portable speakers. No need to get out of the pool or search for a side table, everything you need is within arm's reach, making it an ideal addition to various outdoor spaces for relaxation and convenience. Durable and weather-resistant. Built with sturdy aluminum alloy and ABS materials, the pool bar is designed to withstand the elements, including sun, rain, and splashes. Its strong bearing capacity can support up to 110 pounds, making it suitable for a variety of items. Soft silicone shields against pool wall damage, ensuring the pool remains undamaged during use. Protect your pool walls well. Perfect for entertaining. Whether you're hosting a pool party or enjoying a quiet day outdoors, the pool bar adds a touch of elegance and practicality. The poolside bar comes with detailed instructions so you can install it in minutes and dive into your above-ground pool fun. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.